Hello, this is Lou Yanchun, President of the World Foundry Organization. Here I'm delighted to let you know the second WFO Foundry Young Researchers and Early Career Professionals Conference will go online on April 16, 2024. Based on merit selection, 20 technical videos from young foundry professionals from all over the world will be shared with us. Among them, of the 10 best speakers will be invited to present at the IDEA Expo in Hanover, Germany in June. And again, of the 3 best speakers will present at the 75th World Foundry Congress in Deyang, China in October. This is an interesting event, providing a global stage for you to share and discuss innovations and advancements in foundry industry. So welcome, see you online.